This mistake is one that most people take for granted, but it not only prevents you from failing, it prevents you from earning more money. And it's not anything you're thinking. It took me 2 failed businesses to realize what I'm about to tell you. Are you aware of this number 1 reason why most small businesses don't make more money and grow? Most people think it's poor cash management. And yes, that has some to do with it when you're making money. But here's what I know. It's not seeking mentorship. Because even if you are making sales, you can still limit your potential of growing and serving more people. Most of all, you need to know how money and resources work in the kingdom. My job here is to help you get prepared for this now end time wealth transfer. I am going to reveal to you the benefits of receiving coaching or mentorship by answering 2 questions. But first, I want you to answer this for me. Who bewitched you to think that you can get into business without studying or investing in knowledge? You go to school or college for a career or a skill, right? So why do you think you can succeed in business without coaching or mentorship or learning about business? It seems mean of me to talk this way. I know. But it's the hard truth. The book of Proverbs tells us over and over to seek wise counsel. In one verse, it says to sell all you have and buy knowledge. Okay, my tantrum is over. Let's get into the first question. So the first question is, why in the world would I need a coach or mentor? And I'm going to answer this for you with my top 8 reasons. The first one I have is a good mentor brings clarity, which is paramount in starting any new business. That is one of the reasons why most small business owners feel alone and sometimes ashamed, for what reason, I don't know, of not knowing how to figure things out by themselves. The second reason is a good mentor keeps you accountable and to stay on track. That's why our parents was our first mentor. Brush your teeth, get up early, get your clothes organized, like stay on track. They're for you. So that's their job. It's the same way in getting mentorship. So a good mentor keeps you accountable for you to stay on track instead of relying on your unwilling willpower. And we all know our unwilling willpower. We just want to do what's easy and comfortable and rest and Netflix and chill. All right, so the third reason is a good mentor helps you to buy back your time by buying into their experiences. You will spend less time trying to figure out things on your own. You have access to them with a quick call or message to answer. Sometimes it's the simple little questions that we get stuck with. And when we have someone in our corner who is an expert at a topic, then we can trust their advice and move right along. Number 4, a good mentor collapses the trial and error period. You're learning from their mistakes. They have been through the trenches, they've experienced the loss and the win and the draw, and they can advise you and they have an overview of what it should look like. Number 5, a good mentor provides access to industry secrets. Like some of what I'm giving you today is industry secrets. Number 6, a good mentor invites you into their elite group. Remember, we spoke about this earlier in our marketing video, that one of humans' need is status. Like if you are a book lover who doesn't want to be in Oprah's book club. Reason number 7, a good mentor provides proximity, readily available to help you. Some mentorship are for a season and some mentorship are for a lifetime. And number 8, a great mentor cares more about your customers than you could ever think of or know how to. You see, mentorship or consultation or coaching are all forms of partnership, as mentioned earlier. A good mentor is someone who is at the level that you want to reach and is essential to your growth. They will not only encourage you, but they will push you harder to bring out what is already inside of you. You are excellent in your gifting, or you have acquired skills, but you were never taught how to market and make money from your gifts and skills. Question number 2 is, who invests in mentors and coaches? All successful pro athletes, all successful inventors and innovators such as Steve Jobs and Elon Musk, all successful high-level entrepreneurs. And the truth is, most of these people have multiple mentors for different areas of their lives where they want to be super focused on and succeed. Solomon's fame precedes him. Kings and queens from the known world would travel to him, essentially be mentored by him. It is customary to bring a gift for a king or queen when you're visiting them, even if you yourself is also a royalty. He also collected tributes from nations, which afforded him to build God's temple. In the end, what caused the downfall of Solomon, with all his wisdom, was not having a mentor or counselor for himself. You see, David had Nathan. When he messed up with Bathsheba, Nathan would instruct him for him to see his ways and set him back on the right path. Solomon relied only on himself. The cheapest and most effective business degree is buying into mentorship. I found this out early in my business when 2 of them brutally failed. I sought out the best and paid all I had. Best decision ever made. I paid into someone who had gone where I was hoping to go. I am no longer on the hope road. I am on the King's highway. I just love the book of Proverbs. Just so much wisdom. Again, Solomon wrote most of it. Proverbs says, buy the truth and do not sell it. Buy wisdom, instruction, discipline, good judgment, and understanding. Continuous learning is the ongoing pursuit of knowledge and skill and development. What kind of mentor would you need to help you in your business? Sales, marketing, communication, network, accountability, etc. Hey, because I want you to succeed and you stayed to this much of the video, type in the comments the word wealth, WEALTH, to get this free printable 2-pager, which I printed on 1 sheet of paper back and forth, so you can print it on 2 pages if you would like. This is to help you remember the 7 biggest mistakes to avoid in your business. You can fill out page 2, keep it where you can see it, and use it to prevent failing in your business. We've learned that a good mentor provides clarity and helps you see your business clearly. They provide accountability to keep you on track, and they are customer focused. A great mentor cares deeply about your customers and sometimes even more than you. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you, and if you want to go deeper with me, check the link in the description for more resources. Stay blessed and see you soon. Watch this next video, why God wants you to start a business the right way.